Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a curling wand to curl your hair. So right now I'm parting my hair and I'm doing smaller sections as the curls come out better for me. You want to make sure you start underneath as it's easier to lay the curls on top of each other. You're going to need a mirror, heat gloves, hair bands or clips and a brush, but I'm not using one because I brushed my hair before this video. When you're curling your hair, don't go too close to your scalp as you can burn yourself. Start with one section at a time and then you can go to the next one when you think you're ready. So that's the first section done. Don't forget to add hairspray if you wish to so that the curls hold for longer, as mine started to fall out during the video. On to the second section. Do the same thing here as you did on the first section. I skipped a lot of the curling because it took like an hour and a half to complete it and style it. You can see I'm getting frustrated because it took so long. So even though my hair is quite fine, it still takes long because of the length. So if you have shorter hair, it will be a lot less time consuming. So here I'm getting ready to show you my hair when it's finished. It's quite wavy and flows naturally. Now I'm styling my hair. I'm doing a side part because I feel like it looks the best. So this is what my hair looks like when it's styled. So now I'm taking it back out and putting it in a low ponytail. Thank you guys for watching me show you how I curl my hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. These are the these are the curling irons that I used and the link is in the description below.